RhymBil is now online. What is good, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make an Ask Me program using JavaScript. Let's go! You want to start off by opening up some HTML tags and follow it up by opening up some body tags. Perfect, now we're going to create a paragraph tag and slap an ID onto this, call it text, and we're going to use this later on when we're talking to the user. As you know, we're going to have a button, and this button is going to be used to, well, ask the computer what he thinks. Wait, did I just assume gender? Oh, whoops, oh, no. Now the fun part, the script. Here we're going to start off with our function, our ask function, and then in here we're going to create a random variable. We can call this a random number because it literally is going to be a random number, and to accomplish this what we need to do is use a random function which is embedded in JavaScript. Yeah, but for real, this allows you to create a random number from 0 to whatever number you multiply by. So if you go times 3, it's going to give you 0 to 2. If you go times 100, it's going to give you 0 to 99. It's pretty neat this way. Now we're just going to create 3 if statements, which is pretty much just going to check what value the number is. So if it's going to be equal to 0, it's going to be yes. If it's equal to 1, it's going to be no. And if it's equal to 2, it's going to be maybe so. And you can keep adding on to this as long as you increase the multiply number. Alright, so now we're done. All we have to do is save and open it up. Awesome, so now it loads. You can see a button which says Ask Me. And if we were to click it, it would show you one of the 3 options or more if you added more, which is pretty cool. You can play around this with your friends, and now all we have to do is make it look better. I just pasted my code. If you want, you can pause and copy it down, or you can just customize it yourself.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So it looks pretty good and it works. And that's how to do, guys. That's how to make an Ask Me using JavaScript. Now until next time, RhymBil out.